This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 312 BHTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 10, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, external shower, Colorado detector, smoke detector, DVD player, slide-out, oven, stovetop burner, water heater, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 312 BHTS is 9,291 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.